Hi, and take a look at 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.